Welcome back, Betty and Baldy. Let's summarize what we discussed in our first meeting about starting a business. Seeing is believing and also helps for remembering. So let's see. I've posted our summarized list of to-dos on our whiteboard. Let's review them. 1. Identify your business idea. 2. Conduct market research. 3. Develop a business plan and cash forecast. 4. Determine your legal structure. 5. Register your business. 6. Set up your finances and learn some basic accounting. 7. Secure funding. 8. Prepare a financial plan and break-even analysis. 9. Obtain all needed insurance. 10. Set up your workspace. 11. Develop a marketing strategy. 12. Identify all your needed suppliers. 13. Recruit, train, and hire any needed employees. 14. Open your door. What do you guys think? Were the discussions helpful?
Yes, Dave, anyone wanting to start a business would benefit.
I agree, learned a lot.
Do you have any questions?
Could you direct us to where we can obtain additional help, information, and guides?
Thought you would never ask. I prepared a free PDF checklist for starting a business that you can get. Also, the SCORE organization has a free detailed starting a business workbook. My alma mater, the University of Tennessee, published a great book called Braving the Waters. Hope this helps.
Thanks a lot, Dave.
Me too!